Hey guys, Michael and Arjun here. Today we're installing coilovers on a 2001 Mazda Miata. Let's get into it.
Right now.
Tell me who you are, get in the car.
Right now.
Reach for the stars, I want it all.
Right now.
So the coilovers we're installing on this beautiful Mazda Miata are the Neo Motorsport Type AAs. The heart and soul of these coilovers come from years of involvement in endurance racing. On top of that, from the years of experience, the valving and dampening has been set up to maximize performance and longevity. You ready to install these bad boys? F***ing do it.
Look around, it's a siege and we back in your town, burning it down. You've been waiting too long for the sound, time is now. Got you hanging on every single word, verb and now. Give you what you been waiting for now, what you praying for. This that type of we slaving for. Get you another hit, I know you craving more. I'm in this but they go Super Saiyan boy. I am higher being, whole world at my command. I got the whole damn planet here in the palm of my hand. Watch out, back out, wait up, might wake up, stay up, they gon' get it, they gon' take us, raise up, we got color, they try and gray us, you are not listening to the greatest. Right now, tell me who you are, get in the car, right now, reach for the stars, I want it all, right now, tell me who you are, get in the car, right now, reach for the stars, I want it all, right now, tell me who you are, get in the car, right now, reach for the stars, I want it all, right now.
So, just took the strut out and we're scaling it right now and it's 10.28 pounds, the whole assembly. Now we're gonna compare it to the Neo Motorsport coilovers. It is 8.7 pounds. So that's a savings of about 2 pounds per corner. Wow, pretty neat. Look around, it's a siege and we back in your town, burning it down. You've been waiting too long for the sound, time is now. Got you hanging on every single word, verb and now. Give you what you been waiting for now, what you praying for. This that type of we slaving for. Get you another hit, I know you craving more. I'm in this but they go Super Saiyan boy. I am higher being, whole world at my command. I got the whole damn planet here in the palm of my hand. Watch out, back out, wait up, might wake up, stay up, they gon' get it, they gon' take us, raise up, we got color, they try and gray us, you are not listening to the greatest. Right now, tell me who you are, get in the car, right now, reach for the stars, I want it all, right now, tell me who you are, get in the car, right now, reach for the stars, I want it all, right now, tell me who you are, get in the car, right now, reach for the stars, I want it all, right now, just into the car, fighting a war, right now, we shitting on y'all, I'm in the storm. Wait a minute, I'm on fire, it's like I created physics, it's like I was born on the outer limits, close my eyes, all I see is digits, pay a visit, they ain't hit but the upper echelon, listen from the bond, put your feet on my lawn, then you were gone, they're coming from over yonder, the blessed self-bomber, Morgan's the Medal of Honor, we ready to slaughter, pointed at your noodle like PB and J. I'm the Terminator and I'm looking for Connor, back when United States couldn't locate Osama, you had team spirit and it felt like Nirvana, now you got drama, you still in that Honda, probably in your pajamas, on them grams we are pastas, right, this how I feel when you get to the commas.
We just took off the rear shock and we're scaling it now. Is about 9.4 pounds for the rear. 7.4 pounds. So exactly 2 pound difference. So roughly saving about 8 pounds overall through just suspension alone.
I'm on fire, it's like I created physics. It's like I was born on the outer limits.
So we just finished the install on the car. The coilovers are all in. Now we're just doing measurements for the ride height adjustment.
Feet on my lawn, then you were gone. They're coming from over yonder. The blessed elf bomber, Morgan's the medal of honor. We ready to slaughter, pointed at your noodle like PB and J. I'm the Terminator and I'm looking for
All right guys, we just finished adjusting the coilovers. We checked the preload, we checked the ride height. Now we're just gonna put on the wheels and lower her down and see how it goes from here.
Probably in your pajamas. On them grams, we are pastas. Right? This how I feel when you get to the commas. Tell me who you are, get in the car. Right now, you feel the stars, I want it all. Right now, tell me who you are, get in the car. Right now, you feel the stars, I want it all. Right now, tell me who you are, get in the car. Right now, you feel the stars, I want it all. Right now, just into the car, fighting a war. Right now, we shitting on y'all, I'm in the store. Right?